A violent sell off sends Bitcoin and Ether tumbling, and Kalshi closes a $1 billion funding round. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. The overall crypto market suffered a violent sell off on Friday, sending Bitcoin and Ether tumbling 8% in 24 hours. Bitcoin has inched upwards to around $84,000, while Ether hovers around 2,700. The damage was even more severe in the altcoin sector, where the CoinDesk 20 index fell 10% and several tokens suffered double digit losses. CoinGlass data shows nearly $2 billion in liquidations over the past 24 hours. Roughly 396,000 traders were wiped out, including a single $36.7 million position in Hyperliquid. Utility or privacy? The transparency of traditional blockchains forces a difficult choice. Break free from this limitation with Midnight. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker GNS. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Take out a crypto-backed loan with Figure today. Prediction market Kalshi has closed a massive $1 billion funding round, valuing the company at $11 billion. Led by Sequoia Capital and Capital G, the raise positions Kalshi as a formidable regulated rival to the crypto-native Poly market. The valuation comes just 1 month after a smaller raise, highlighting intense investor appetite for the sector. The platform distinguishes itself by operating under CFTC oversight, offering institutional and retail traders legal certainty and fiat on-ramps. And dozens of major crypto groups led by the Solana Policy Institute have petitioned President Trump to enact immediate quick wins for the industry while Congress stalls on market structure legislation. The coalition is urging the administration to use executive power to bridge the gap caused by Senate delays. Key demands include tax guidance that exempts small transactions and ensures mining rewards aren't taxed until sold. The letter specifically asks the president to halt DOJ enforcement against open source developers, citing the recent prosecution of Tornado Cash and Samurai Wallet developers. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time. Break the cycle of exploitation, break down the barriers to truth, break into the next generation of privacy, break free. Free to scroll without being monetized, free from censorship, freedom without fear. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network /break-free. CoinDesk Bitcoin Treasury Month is brought to you by Genius Group, a Bitcoin treasury company listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker GNS. Genius is building toward a 10,000 Bitcoin treasury and just launched Genius Academy, featuring courses from Saifedean Ammous and more. Start learning for free today at geniusacademy.ai. Genius Group. Genius isn't measured in IQ, it's measured in Bitcoin. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Whether you're funding a major purchase like a down payment on a home, investing in new opportunities, or even buying more Bitcoin, Figure makes it straightforward and transparent. Take out a crypto-backed loan in the Figure app today.